Have you ever received a call from an unknown number? Did you wonder who it could be? We live in a world with billions of phone numbers. Sometimes we need a tool to help us learn more about them. That's where Phonelnfoga comes in. Phonelnfoga is a powerful tool. It helps you find information about phone numbers. It's like a detective for your phone. With Phonelnfoga, you can uncover details hidden behind a number. This can be very helpful in many situations. Imagine you're trying to avoid spam calls, or maybe you want to verify someone's identity. Phonelnfoga can be your trusted sidekick. It can help you make informed decisions. In the next section, we will delve deeper into how Phonelnfoga works its magic. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind phone numbers. Phonelnfoga acts like a bridge to various online databases. These databases hold information about phone numbers. When you enter a number into Phonelnfoga, it searches these databases. It then gathers any available information. The information you can find is quite impressive. Phonelnfoga might reveal the name associated with the phone number, the location of the phone number, like the city and state, the type of phone number, whether it's a landline or mobile, online profiles linked to the phone number, social media accounts, and much more. Think of Phonelnfoga as a master key. It unlocks a treasure chest of information. This information can be helpful in many ways. We will explore those ways in the upcoming sections. The beauty of Phonelnfoga lies in its versatility. It can be a valuable tool in various situations. Let's look at some of its key benefits. First, identifying unknown callers. Tired of receiving calls from mysterious numbers? Phonelnfoga can help you put a name to the number. This can be helpful for avoiding spam calls or potential scams. Second, verifying someone's identity. Meeting someone online? Want to make sure they are who they claim to be? Phonelnfoga can help verify their identity by connecting their phone number to their online presence. Third, finding lost contacts. Lost touch with an old friend or colleague? If you have their old phone number, Phonelnfoga might be able to help you reconnect by finding their current online profiles. And fourth, protecting yourself from fraud. Suspect a phone number might be involved in fraudulent activities? Phonelnfoga can provide insights and help you make informed decisions about your safety. These are just a few examples of how Phonelnfoga can be beneficial. Its applications are vast and can be tailored to your specific needs. Ready to start using Phonelnfoga? Great! It's easy to get started. Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Installing Phonelnfoga. First, you need to install Phonelnfoga on your computer. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process. You can find the installation files and instructions on the official Phonelnfoga website. Make sure you download the correct version for your operating system, whether it's Windows, macOS, or Linux. Step 2. Gathering the phone number. Once Phonelnfoga is installed, you'll need the phone number you want to investigate. Make sure you have the correct country code if you're looking up an international number. Section 5. Installation process. After downloading the appropriate installation file, open it to begin the installation process. You'll be guided through a series of simple steps. First, accept the terms and conditions. Read through the terms and conditions carefully. If you agree, click Accept to proceed. Next, choose an installation location. You can usually stick with the default location, but feel free to change it if you prefer. Then, select additional options. Phonelnfoga might offer optional components such as shortcuts or integrations. Choose the ones you want and continue. After that, wait for the installation to complete. The installation process may take a few minutes. Be patient and let it finish. Finally, launch Phonelnfoga. Once the installation is complete, you'll find Phonelnfoga in your Applications menu. Double-click it to launch the program. Now that you have Phonelnfoga up and running, you're ready to start searching. Section 6. Running your first search. With Phonelnfoga open, you'll see a search bar. This is where the magic happens. Simply enter the phone number you want to investigate. Double-check the number to ensure accuracy. Then hit enter or click the search icon. Phonelnfoga will get to work reaching out to its network of databases. It will gather all the available information associated with that phone number. The search process might take a few moments, depending on the complexity of the search and your internet speed. During the search, you might see some technical jargon scrolling on your screen. Don't worry, you don't need to understand it all. Phonelnfoga is doing the heavy lifting for you. Just sit back and wait for the results. Section 7. Deciphering the results. Once the search is complete, Phonelnfoga will present you with the findings. The results will be displayed in an organized and easy-to-understand manner. You might see information like the owner name. If the phone number is linked to a person, their name might be displayed. The location, the general location such as city, state, or even country associated with the phone number. The carrier, the mobile carrier or service provider of the phone number, and online profiles, links to social media accounts, websites, or online forums associated with the phone number. Keep in mind that the amount of information Phonelnfoga can find varies depending on the phone number and its online presence. Some numbers might have a wealth of information available while others might have limited data. Section 8. Real-world applications of Phonelnfoga. Phonelnfoga's ability to unveil information hidden behind phone numbers opens up a world of possibilities. Here are a few real-life scenarios where Phonelnfoga can be incredibly useful. 1. Investigating spam calls. Received a suspicious call from an unknown number? Use Phonelnfoga to see if the number is associated with known spammers or scammers. 2. Verifying online sellers or buyers. Engaging in online transactions? Use Phonelnfoga to verify the identity of the other party and ensure their legitimacy. 3. Finding lost connections. Remember that old friend but lost their contact information? If you have their old phone number, Phonelnfoga might help you reconnect by finding their current online profiles. 4. Researching potential employees. Hiring new employees? Phonelnfoga can be a useful tool for background checks, verifying information provided by candidates. 5. Protecting your family. Concerned about your child's online safety? Use Phonelnfoga to monitor their online activity and identify potential risks. These examples demonstrate the versatility and practicality of Phonelnfoga. It's a powerful tool that can empower you with information and help you make informed decisions. Section 9. Ethical considerations and responsible usage. While Phonelnfoga is a valuable tool, it's crucial to use it responsibly and ethically. The information you uncover should not be used for illegal activities, harassment, or any form of harm towards others. Remember, everyone deserves their privacy. Before using Phonelnfoga, consider the ethical implications of your actions. Ask yourself, am I using this information for a legitimate purpose? Would I be comfortable if someone used this tool to find information about me? Am I respecting the privacy of others? It's essential to be mindful of the potential consequences of your actions and use Phonelnfoga with discretion and respect for others. Section 10. Ensuring privacy and security. Using online tools always comes with certain risks. It's essential to take steps to protect your privacy and security while using Phonelnfoga. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Download Phonelnfoga from trusted sources. Only download the software from the official website or reputable sources to avoid malware or compromised versions. Keep your own information private. Be mindful of the information you share online, as it can be used to identify you. Use a VPN for added security. A virtual private network or VPN encrypts your internet connection, making it harder for others to track your online activity. Be cautious of phishing attempts. Beware of suspicious emails or messages requesting your personal information or login credentials. By following these precautions, you can minimize risks and use Phonelnfoga safely and responsibly. Section 11. Conclusion: empowering yourself with information. In a world overflowing with data, Phonelnfoga emerges as a powerful tool to navigate the sea of phone numbers. It empowers you to uncover hidden connections, verify identities, and make informed decisions. Remember, knowledge is power, but it comes with responsibility. Use Phonelnfoga ethically, respecting the privacy of others, and taking necessary precautions to protect yourself online. By doing so, you can harness the power of information for good and navigate the digital world with confidence.